You asked, how to divide 7,950 by 5 using the long division method. 7 divided by 5 equals 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Bring down 9, making 29. 29 divided by 5 equals 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. 29 minus 25 equals 4. Bring down 5, making 45. 45 divided by 5 equals 9. 9 times 5 equals 45. 45 minus 45 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 5 equals 0. 0 times 5 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1590.